Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Donna, this is Pinky Budgets, and we are checking in for, I don't know, week 16? I think, no, I have no idea. No idea what week we're checking in for. But it is week 1 of my kind of monthly salary. I got paid on Wednesday, so you can see my monthly cash stuff in the video before this. Yeah, no idea. How this week has gone so quickly as well. I can't believe we're at Friday again. But anyways, let's crack on. So, right, top up food shop. We have still got £10 left in there. We have £10 in miscellaneous. Now, I only put £5 in last week. I accrued £5. I'm not 100% sure where it came from either. I think it's because I paid for something online and then my son gave me the £5 back. I think that's where that came from. Can't really remember that one, but we've got an extra 5 in the purse, which is great. Personal spends didn't have anything in it. Family fun we did have and we spent, and there's some change in there. Let's see what we've got in change. 2, 3, 4, £5 in pound coins to go into pound coin challenge. We have got 50, 2 20s and a 10 for our bags. So let's just get those. Hope everybody is well and has had a lovely week and is planning a nice weekend. Weather's been a bit April typical, shall we say. A few showers, like really, oh yay, look, whoop, whoop. We only needed one. Yay! So we've got a whole bag of 20s, so I can take those back to the bank. And then we've already started the next one. So just so that I know, let me just put a cross through there so I know I'm 1 over. Yay! So what's that? Is it £5 that goes into a 20p bag, I think? That's really good. Not sure where that's going to go. We'll get it changed up in the bank though, first of all. That's fantastic. What was I saying? Can't even remember. 50p's. Only 2 left to go on there. So I might actually see if I can get 2 50p's soon and then take them both back to the bank at the same time. Seems daft taking one bag in. But okay, that is the change done. Let's get the leftover binder. So we are doing our Winnie the Pooh challenges. Oh, I haven't got my honey pot with my dice out. Got the pink dice instead. Let's get the little honey pot one out. There we go. I know, tiny little dice, but okay, let's see what can we do in here today. So, rumbly in my tumbly. Let's do the next. Oh, should we do 5 or 10? Let's do 5, because we can just spread the love a little bit. I've only got 15 left on that one to go now. So we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70. Lovely. That one will save us £85. So hopefully we're going to get this one finished before the end of May. Let's put £5 into Pooh & Co. Again, this one will only have £15 left to go. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Lovely, that's on track. Okay, Polar Expense. I did actually put all the other challenges back in here because I was sorting out my binders the other day. So let's do one little caribou and put £2 in to Gerald. Say hello, Gerald. You haven't said hello for a little while. Lovely. 4 left on that one to go. And then we've got our coffee. Let's put 2 in here as well. Let's do pancakes and coffee beans. So we've only got 2 left on that one, which is really good. That can go into Gerald. That one might even get finished next week. That would be great. Okay, let's put this £1 in here. So that's that one, and then we've still got £10 left over. So shall we? Let's take 5 out of here. So this is linked to this one. It's just because I've changed up some coins. Pop a 10 in, and then we're going to cross another 5 off on there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we've got £5. Which one of these? That's got 15. That's only got 15. Guess it doesn't really matter, does it? No, you know what I'm going to do? I know it's not my personal spending money. We've got an IOU in here of £18. Let's put it in there. So then that will make that 13 for now. And when we do the purse in a minute, we might be able to knock that down a little bit more. That makes sense. So we're knocking down that a bit. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, we'll come back to that one in a minute. Let's get the monies for week 1. Lovely. So for those that are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I am 90% a digital cash stuffer, but I do have actual cash in my purse each week for spending. I find it either stops me spending money because I want the cash to put into my leftover binder, or I don't dip into my bank account because I've got the cash in there, so it's quite handy. So my weekly money is split between digital money and real cash. So in cash I have 10, 20, 30, 40 and £45. So that is what goes into my purse. And then we also have 10, 20, 25 and 30, which is what goes into our weekly challenges. So let's do the cash first of all. So first up we need top up shop, which is £10. We have miscellaneous, which is a 5. And then we have family fun and personal spends, which gets £15 each, plus, oh sorry, £10 in notes and £5 in coins. And then we'll do our 2 challenges with those, just to save a little bit of money. Oh gosh. Okay, so we are doing our honeycomb challenge for my purse with my personal spending money. As I said, I owe it £13, so we are going to do 2 rolls of the dice, see what we're saving and see if we can add anything or knock anything off the IOU. So we've rolled a 3, which is £4. So let's write that in there. Ooh. And then the second roll is a 5, which is £5. So that is £9 going in there. So we could, I am going to roll that up and make it £10. Oops. Because that leaves me enough to get my coffee when I go into the office. I only have 1 day in the office next week, so it leaves me enough to grab that from the train station. And we can knock this one down to £12. Lovely. And the reason I ended up like owing it was because when I first did these first few rows, I was rolling and saving what I'd rolled rather than looking and saying I rolled a 6, therefore I've got to save £7. So I was adding it up wrong. Yeah, I was just being a bit of a numpty. Okay, right, so that's £5 from my purse for personal spending. There. And then family fun. So we roll the dice twice and add up, and then we can knock off some of the balloons. So we roll the dice twice. So 3 and 4. Oh, we can just cross off 3 and a 4, so that's £7 going in there. Next week we are just going to complete those balloons, I think. So let's do, right, can your brain work this out, Donna? So if I put, I'm just going to do it the easiest way, and I know you're all going to be shouting, that was really simple to work out. Right, so I'm going to take 3 out and put the 10 in. And then I'm going to change 2, 3, 4, 5, £5 note. Oh, we got that one's quite a nice one. That one quite nice. Never mind. Then we haven't got to have all coins. And I know that was really bad maths. Probably could have worked that out in a completely different way, but never mind. Okay. Leftovers done. Lovely. Okay, let's just do a tidy up. Honey pot away because we finished with Winnie the Pooh. And then we can go on to our challenges for the week. So let's get these out. So should we do coin caster first of all? Coin caster rolled a 6. And we've rolled a 4. So we're putting £5 in this one today because we are lower. Which is great because I really want to get the Christmas challenge done, which is behind. So what I've been doing is allowing £15 for Coincaster. Anything that I don't roll into Coincaster goes into Life is Like a Box of Chocolates, and this is saving £120, and that is going to go into Christmas. So we can put £10 in this one today. So let's do the 2 pinks. So 4, 8, 10. So that leaves us 3, 6, 9, 10. £10 left. So I wonder if we can put that one in next week, and then that will be another £120 saved for Christmas as well. Lovely. Yes, a coin caster. If you could roll another 6 next week, that would be quite handy. Okay, let's do our mini challenges. We've only got £15 this week, slightly smaller, which is probably like more like what I will have each week for the next couple of months, just because things are a little bit tighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's put the £15 in here. Let's have a look at what challenges we have. So we started Bougie Breakfast last week, and that one is saving £20 going towards our Cotswolds holiday. Cappy Tea is got 4 left to go on it, and that's saving some money for Egypt. So that's just like spending money. Let's get rid of you. We have number 3, Llama Loot, which is saving £15 to go into our gifting. We have Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy saving £10 going into week 5. Buy Me Budgeting Goodies and Tell Me I'm Pretty is saving £20 going into our family binder. And then T-Rex is saving £20 going into sinking funds. So we might, depending on what the dice feels like, we could get 2, possibly 3 completed today. But let's see. Let's see what the dice decides. And again, as normal, if we roll the same number twice, I will roll again. Number 5. Yay! That's 1 done. Number 6. Number 4. Oh, there. Oh, well, that might be that one done. Can't remember how much that needed. No, 4. We're not rolling you again. 3. 5. 2. Oh no. Oh. Okay. New dice. Number 4. What did we roll? Oh, I can't remember now. Number 1. 6. 1. 5. 4. Last one. 4. Oh no, roll again. 3. Oh, I think that leaves 1. We'll see. Okay, let's just pile these up in randomness. And let's get started. So, Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we only needed 3 to complete it. So we've got 1 spare. 1, 2, 3. So that is, what have we got? Money going into week 5. So we'll sort that one out in a little bit. We need a new challenge for you. Let's pull out what's next in our little bag. What have we got? We have got Little Miss Leopard print from, I wonder if you can guess, So's Budgeting Life. So let's make each start £1. Did I write on the back of this one? £20, that one. And we can cross off our first star. And we will decide on where that one's going to go in a minute. We've then got Buy Me Budgeting Goodies from Wednesday Plans. That one got 1, 2, 3. We only needed 1. So that is another one that we can reallocate in a minute. Let's get another challenge out. Next one in the list is Mr. Jiggles. Jiggles, is that right? Is that how I pronounce that? That is from Studio Budgets. So this one, I have no idea how much this one is going to save because it all depends on what you roll. So we've got 2 left over. So we could do a green or a yellow one. So should we go green first of all? Let's do a greenie. Like a little jelly bear type of thing. Yes, what I think we're going to do is, obviously we've got 2, so we'll put 2 in. If we roll a 3, we'll colour on in. If it gets 4, then I'll do a 3 and a 1. Yeah, I think we'll just do it like that. Lovely. So we need to allocate that one in a minute. T-Rex got 1, 2, 3. So only 1 line to go on this one. Next time. Llama Loop got 1. Kappa T had 2. Oh, okay, so we've got 2 to go on this one now. So we might finish. Oh no, Donna, 2, not 3. Got this manky old sponge, sorry. 2 left to go on that one, and then Bougie Breakfast got 2, so we will colour in another croissant. One of the ones that I've allocated as a 2. Here we go. Lovely. Okay. Right, let's reallocate. And it's getting darker and darker, quicker and quicker, so I'm going to have to speed through this a little bit. Right, we need, let's get rid of these quickly. Let's pop these back in here. Let's get, what do we need? 10 and a 20. So 20 and 10. Lovely. Let's just do a quick, whoops. Get a nice little thumbnail of these 2 completed challenges. There you go. Done. Right, so this £10 is going into week 5. So this is our Getting Ahead for week 5 challenge, which is from Wednesday Plans. Lovely. So that's 5, 10. Oh, only £5 left to go on there, and we've got enough for May, which is fan-bloomin-tastic. So I'll put that in there with that one. Oh, there you go. We will add that to, we'll maybe put that one in Little Miss Leopard print, because we will use that by the time I will have allocated that out. I think we'll need to start that new challenge. This one's going into our family binder. And I think what I'm going to do, because we have only just cash stuffed in this one this week, so I think I'm going to change this up for 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We might just put 5 in a couple of things. So we'll put 5 in fun. I'm going to put 5 in clothes because I have to go and buy the boy new school shoes tomorrow. We are going to put 5 in tickets because we bought some tickets this not last week, the week before. So we need to fill this one back up a little bit in case there's anything. So So that's 35 in there. Should we put it in adventures? Yeah, let's put it in adventures. This one doesn't get a huge amount of love. This one is going to be the fire. There we go. So that's that reallocated. I love little minis that top up these little funds. Give you just that little boost. That's it. All adds up. Keeps the money moving in my budget. It's great. Lovely. So that's that one reallocated. And then we will move this little sticker to Mr. Jingles. And whatever we save in that one will then go into the family binder. There we go. So there's 6 challenges that we've got for next week. I hope everybody has a lovely weekend, and I will see you next Friday for my weekly cash stuffing. Bye guys.